at me. Look 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 at me. No, don't look over there. There's nothing to look at over there. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Are you looking at me? Is everybody looking at me? Do I have everyone's attention? Don't get the wrong idea. I'm not trying to take over your life. You need what? What do you need? What do you need? You need to what? Go to the bathroom? Fine. Get up. Go to the bathroom. Come back. Look at me. You need what? You need to get something to eat? Fine. Get up. Go to the kitchen. Get something to eat. Come back. Look at me. You need to what? What? Sleep? Fine! Get up, go to bed, go to sleep, get up, come back, look at me. Okay, so we have an agreement. You will do what you absolutely have to do, and when you're done, you will come back and look at me. Don't worry about your schedule. I am here for you. I am here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I am here for you. I am here for you. No, don't look over there. There's nothing to look at over there. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I've got stuff you wouldn't believe. Danger, sex, action, death, thrills, comedy, all here, all in the next 8 minutes. Can you believe it? You can't believe it. You can't believe it? It's unbelievable. You can't believe it because it's unbelievable. It's a miracle.